if I blow my nose but forget to or neglect to wash my hands, will you still be interested in the cookies?
I don't see a problem.
You are freaking lying. He just said no, he didn't want any, so I would get them. You just said that would bother you. I'll make the cookies just for me anyway.
Oh shoot. I've been bamboozled.
Oh! That's hot.
So we have discovered that we are out of goodies. The cry has gone up. So we are making, what are you making, Diva?
I like this weed.
Steve is making
Easy sugar cookies.
easy sugar cookies that do not include all the stuff that I have spread across here, but I'm also making a cup of tea because you can't do anything without a cup of tea.
Well, I can.
Tell them what you're putting in as you're going.
First is, oh, I need my phone.
First you need your phone? Phones are very important when making sugar cookies.
2 3/4 cups of
A phone.
flour.
Oh, a flour.
Always get mixed up baking soda, baking powder. One has 1 teaspoon, one has half. I don't need that.
Well, if you need 3/4.
You just figure it out. I don't need that.
So, roughly.
Come see, come saw.
I need tea. My tea takes 1 tea bag. Pour the boiling water over the tea bag, guys.
Anyways, 2 3/4. So we have 1. We have 2. Now this, carefully measure. Close enough. What?
2 3/4.
And then put the flour away so it's not in the way.
Yay!
Thank you to John and Bonnie.
Yay for my parents. But we can't go out. This is one good thing about us being together is that, well, you might not agree, we're self-isolated together. You can't get rid of me.
So, I've had 2 weeks with her in Florida, and now another 2 weeks here. I am ready to go to work.
How much sugar are you putting in there, sir?
1.5 cups.
Okay. There are little measurement things in there.
Good enough.
There, roughly 1.5 cups.
Okay, where'd I put my glasses this time?
On your head. Made you look. Do you want to read it to you?
Nope. 1. Okay, maybe.
Okay. 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Baking soda.
Soda. Do we have to grease the pans when we get that far, by the way?
No.
No!
1.
Now this is funny because it says in a small bowl. Stir together the flour, baking soda, and baking powder and set aside. So we're not going to follow what it says here.
No.
Oh, there's the problem. In a large bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until smooth. So these are all a la Steve. Okay, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, right?
Yes.
Okay. 1 teaspoon of vanilla?
Yes.
Yes.
And I found at work, the ladies told me if you don't have any of this, you could use a teaspoon of syrup.
Like maple syrup instead of vanilla?
Yes.
Oh, nice. That'd be all
And it
right.
worked good. And also, if you
Like to...
don't have any eggs, to take the place of 1 egg, you could have, I don't know how much, but of vegetable oil.
Oh, okay. We'll have to look that up and see
Yes.
if we can't. Put it in the description box below.
Okay, so 1 egg. And then they say 1 cup of butter.
Yeah.
But if you use just 1 cup of butter, when you crunch them together and put them on, it won't.
Maybe it's because you didn't do the butter and the sugar together first.
I don't know. But if you put extra butter, then they... Look at that. It makes designs in there.
Woo! I want to show. Whoa, pretty. Like a swirly flower. I'm taking the butter away. No! 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 Ah! Oh my
There we
gosh. Oh my gosh.
And to make the experience even more, don't have your wife near you. Just like driving in a car with a backseat driver.
Mean old man. Put sprinkles on them or something.
Or chocolate chips.
See, now when my brother was young, he read a thing that said, mix by hand.
Okay, can you get 2 of those?
I can get 2 of those. Because this is terrifying. Usually I am sound asleep while he does this.
But she's awake when they come out.
Oh, you better believe it. Because for all the teasing, these really are delicious. Not nutritious. Just delicious. Here, let me get the...
Another good place to go is Susan Millard. She has some awesome things on there too.
Pumpkin makes amazing stuff.
And she lets her husband eat them too. Unlike Shannon.
No, well, Kevin's never here when I make things. I can't let him eat them. I don't know how many you eat before I wake up, so how would I know? What do you want?
I want to wipe on my hand.
Get you a napkin, you bum.
4 weeks. Mono a womano. It's driving me nuts.
You're leaving room in between. How come?
So when they expand, they're not as on top of each other. They still will.
Yeah, they gotta go. Whoa. How many does it usually make? Or it all depends on your fist size.
About 30, 35,
Really?
37.
All I know is out of the last batch I got 2.
Don't care. I don't go around bragging how many I had. All I know is that Shannon and James finished off the last batch.
We had 1 each.
I think it was more than that.
Okay, we may have had
2 each.
2 each. See, I told you I had 2. Okay, I might have had 4 out of the whole last batch.
There you go.
So far we have on here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll have a dozen on there.
See that? Sesame Street strikes again.
Or if I were watching Dora, uno,
We can
dos,
separate
tres, cuatro, cinco. That's all I know for Spanish. Except for hola.
Mi nombre es Esteban.
This is called leave room in between so you can put more on there.
And then you don't have to do another tray. You can do it. This lasts about 2 trays.
I am fairly certain my fingers are clean, but I don't want to touch some list. They're not, because I've been putting stuff away.
Yeah, so don't touch. Not that it would bother me anyway.
Won't bother James, I heard the whole thing.
He's lying. It's not fair to get my hopes up.
Look at the intensity of making the cookies. There they go.
Don't ask me
Don't ask you what.
how long they're supposed to be in there.
Oh, okay. Will I look at your sink?
For me, if the fork marks disappear,
Yeah.
then you can take them out. And it depends how crispy or chewy you want. What? You might get less than 4 this time. You keep dissing me.
Did you hear that? I feel like I'm being threatened.
Yep.
But I love you.
Yeah. Too late. I really hate this coronavirus. 4 weeks.
So I am not feeling loved. Diva, do you love me?
Yes. Whatever.
So there's the last of the bunch ready to go in, and we got 33 out of the bunch. I have been given permission to put on the sprinkles. Yay! Wonder how I can do this without.
No.
Jinx! Oh, they have all poofed in together. Oh, they smell good. And that's 10 minutes in.
Is it? Yep.
Yep. 10 minutes later. So are they ready, do you think?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Wonderful.
Us.
For us.
Other people might want them cooked more, and that's fine. I'm happy with those.
These ones are the sprinklers. Oh, they went for the sprinkles.
And then they flatten down.
That's neat. Yeah, they do flatten right down. Cool. Oh.
Like they're harder than.
No, it's just no. These are. Wait. Come, have a cookie with me. No. Okay, you heard this. He's not gonna have a cookie. I am gonna have a cookie. Oh no, look, Steve, they're nice and soft still inside.
Good. That's the way I like it.
Oh, these are perfect. A little crunchy on the outside, but nice and soft inside. I think I should stay out here and bug you more often.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Whether you're here or not, you still book me. And I mean that in a good way.
Oh, of course you do. The only thing I'm missing is I went and put my cup of tea down. I need a cup of tea. So guys, there you go. If you're wondering what to do, you can make some, what did you call these? Really easy.
This is sugar cookies.
Really easy sugar cookies. Just don't forget to have a cup of tea nearby. Oh, we gotta take one to James. Have a cookie. Oh, they're a little bit bigger than that.